Hello guys! Good evening! Today's video, we are in the campsite. Campsite it is Bono? We are camping right now in the weekend. So just the three of us. My husband, my daughter, and me. And this is our tent. And I'm doing this thing. We'll do a barbecue. Getting ready, and we're gonna sleep here. We will go home tomorrow. There's also some Filipino further down. Wait, you can see there's one more family there, and the other one here, farther down here. Actually, this is they call it this place Qudra Lake. So we are in the what we call this, Bo? Near to the lake. We are near to the lake. So tomorrow we'll be here so I could show you how beautiful the place is. Right now it's all dark. You can see now it's 8 o'clock in the evening. So right now I'm doing this on our table there. Our setup, charcoal, our food stuff, and this is our tent. Let's see what my daughter's doing here. There she is. I'll show you our tent inside. As you can see, we have a setup here. Oh my god. Bella, put the light on, Bella, please. Put the light on. Pistot. Put the light on. So here, we have two beds. This is an outdoor bed actually. So, we have Pelu here. So that's it. I cannot show you much longer because mosquito will come inside. We have to switch it on. So this is how it looks like inside. We have two outdoor bed. It's a air bed and some pillow. It's comfortable when you sleep whole night. And this person is my boss. I couldn't see you. And by the way, guys, our car got stuck in the sand. Here, that area, it's dark. There's no lights. It gets stuck in the sand. So tomorrow we have to ask someone to help us out. Corn. Here, so many people is coming. So many cars. I think they're also doing camping. What they'll do in the evening here? Camping only it is. Our barbecue. Chicken. Mila, click at that one.
Wait, it doesn't work. Oh. Staying behind you now.
Sun make light. Yeah, you can. Tent. Bella, you okay? The car got stuck in the sun. Finally, we brought it. Guys, so now we just got up actually 6 o'clock. Wait na.
Give me.
Wait na.
Give me.
I said wait.
Give me.
So see
Give me.
our tent,
Give me.
our table there.
Give me.
So now this is the
Give me.
surrounding.
Give me.
Where
Give me.
our car actually last night got stuck, so finally someone helped us last night. So come na. So we'll show you outside. Outside we'll show you there in the lake.
I want to hold it.
Okay, wait. So we feel like we're in the jungle. So much noise. So as you can see, that car also, they're also camping. Farther down there also, there's some many people. And here also, Next to us, there's also one camping. So we'll show you. This is the lake.
And there's one piggy on.
Wait now, wait now.
And what's that called?
Wait. Now, this is the lake.
And help me, what is that?
This is the lake and this
And
is
there's
where
one
we
bird
camp.
over-
This is where we camp.
And then there's one bird over there. I don't know what it is.
What bird is this? Is it a bird or what?
No, like that one that is standing on the water.
Ah, in the water. So I'll get to zoom in. What is this? See? As you can see. It's not really clear. Those
Okay,
are
That is something I don't know.
duck or swan?
I don't know. It
What
looks
is
like a
that?
swan.
Yeah,
But
like
it
a
has a
swan.
large beak
Oh.
and a red and a red cover. Look, and a black covering like this.
Oh my god. See? There are two are swimming. There are two.
Those are ducks.
Three. There's ducks. See, as you can see so many are there.
Ducks.
Even those babies.
Ducks. 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 No, I think
So-
they're birds.
This is our surrounding. So this is the way how, this is the surrounding. This is how it looks like. Another family is camping. You can see also farther down, but it's a little far, so they cannot zoom in. So this is how it looks like where we camp. Yes.
Bird attractive food.
Okay, so this one is another family here, and this is ours.
Mama, look at
Last night we got stuck, so somebody helped us
Mama,
to
look at this.
this thing to get our car out from the sand.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I don't think that's the food. I think somebody left here food for
Pick
the.
it up and throw it.
Yes, no, it's
Pick it.
like they will come and eat it. You have to put. Somebody is putting it here. So food. It was really nice weather. Ah, such a big.
Piggy gone.
Yes. So when we got up, Isabella came out from the tent and she said, "Mama, it's raining." Oh no, it's just the moist, because of the it was cold actually last night. So my husband also was shivering, so it was cold because my husband doesn't wear jacket. He's confident that the weather will be okay. So actually around 2 o'clock it's getting cooler.
Dada's still
So actually
sleeping.
he's now still sleeping.
Dada's still sleeping.
So
I mostly annoy him at this moment.
so now we're
I'm
going home
going to
because
go
we have
do
to go
it.
to church actually. So this is our surrounding. This is how it is. This is how it looks like. So every weekend we're gonna camp in different places.
Every Friday.
I know, and this time it's every Friday because we are going to your Halloween, no? This afternoon. So, but next week we're gonna start camping on Saturday. But if we have some work on Saturday, then we have to go in Friday evening. So we commit ourselves that we will enjoy this weather for the next until it gets over the winter. I think up to Feb. I think winter here, Feb or March. I think March, and it gets getting hot again. Summer on I think April. Hello, Isabella. Oh, by the way, you cannot. I don't know if it's allowed to swim, but I don't think so. It's allowed to swim here.
Yeah, it says no swimming.
No swimming. So they have. I show you. Wait. That's a big signboard. Those don'ts that you don't have to do.
I'm going to check.
See here. It's not allowed. Even if you're doing some barbecue, you are not allowed to do it on the sand. It is not allowed. You have to have your own griller, because otherwise if you do it directly on the sand, they will give you fine 500 dirhams. That must most probably be around 8,000-9,000 something peso. So it's not allowed. You have to bring your own griller.
Barbecue, but no fire.
No fire, no?
You can barbecue, but no fire.
No bonfire. I told you, no, not allowed. Only barbecue is allowed. But in other place, remember that we went to the other desert?
Yeah.
Desert? Remember that desert we've gone before last year? That place is allowed directly on the sand. But this place, no, not allowed. Next time we'll go to Rasal Khaimah. There's our surrounding.
I feel like I am in the wild animal.
Excuse me. What is that? What is that?
That's how the big birds go. Morning from the wildlife.
So here we are. This is where we come. This is the surrounding. It's cold, na? It's very cold.
There was one big bird.
Well, the one was wearing orange, and they have this truck. They are collecting garbage from the campus. So they also collect some from us. So they are collecting garbage. Collecting garbage. So we are leaving anytime soon. And see, look at this one, Bella. As you can see, beautiful. Very nice. So we're going back to Dubai, and we are leaving now from the camp. This is campsite, no? Camping site. Camping site. Whew. So tiring. Parking up. So I think we're the only one left here. Nobody's here now. Is still somebody there? There's still some people.
Oh, they brought a dog also, and he's going in the water and all that.
Oh, but it's not allowed pet, right?
Yeah.
My goodness. I'll show you outside. There it is. It's the big lake. You can do camping here. Is it a duck? It's a duck, right? Ducks. They have ducks here. A bunch of ducks. That's a bunch of ducks. Oh, so people here also is camping. Actually, they did not come. They just come in the morning. They don't come in the evening. See, such a big lake it is here. See, some people still camping in that side. There's still more people, and this one also one person here. They didn't still live, no? There people must be still sleeping. These are the people who was making so much noise, I think. This next to us, or this camping KFC must be Filipino. So you next time we go next to the water, yeah? Huh? Not that side.
Oh, yeah, next to the water and all, you don't know, some snake, something might come.
So this is the
Water
place.
snake or some reptiles might come out.
It's nice one.
Yeah, it's nice.
So this is the bumpy road. Actually, this is a muddy road. We don't have a proper cement road. So this is the place. They haven't developed the place, right? Or they just leave it like this? This is the end of the lake. It was quite a long lake. You know, in the lake it has also some fishes, but you're not allowed to fish. Restrictions, there are some restrictions are there, so not allowed. So these are the people who camping. A bunch of people are there actually. Lots of camping there. I think there are 4 or 5 people, 6 people are camping in that side. This is such a big lake it is. This is the lake. And then Okay. So many cars there. And then there's another one more here. They call it Love Lake. As you can see, love. It's a love lake. We will come here and see what's in here, and maybe we'll have our breakfast here as well. We have leftover food from last night. So we'll come and see. Oh, it's a nice one here. Oh, it's a lake also. Oh, so many. Oh, this is a flamingo. Oh my God, so much there. So look at those heads. What is that? Huh? Ah, the swan. Oh, so many are there. Huh?
Allowing cars to come inside.
Not allowed. Maybe not allowed to camp also.
Yeah, no camping it is.
No, right?
They bring Bella.
Take Bella. See, it's nice here. See, you can see. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Swan. Big, big swan. Guys, we are now in the other place, Love Lake. They call it Love Lake. As you can see, so many big, big koi fish is there. So many big koi fish. And if we're here now, this is not allowed for camping. You can come here for picnic, but not allowed for camping. Big, big koi fish. Farther down there's so many, so big ones. See, we are here again. This is different. This is the same place, but it has a gate. It has a gate, that separate gate, and you're not allowed. Cars is not allowed, and not also allowed to do camping. And they call it Love Lake. This is the same only, the same location, but different spot. So you can see, fishes. So these are the rules and regulation. Rules that is not allowed, what are not allowed. Such a big trash. This is the trash. This is not the trash. That's the trash. And we are under the tree. After our camping, now we are here picnicking. We still not go home. Still not gone home. We still want to stay here for a little bit. And we're eating our leftover food.
For a second, I thought that was a
Yay! He's making sounds. He's calling his mom. There they are. Not allowed to swim here. He's eating food.
I want to eat the goldfish.
Hey, you cannot eat that. It's a koi fish.
Yeah.
It says, for Chinese, it says a sign of good luck.
It's going around in circles.
Show me a TikTok dance. What is that dance? Guys, swan. They are feeding the swan, but actually it's not allowed feeding. Not allowed feeding these creatures. They are eating. I think these are the food, pellets. This is pellets.
Can I feed?
Yeah, okay, food. I think that's their food only. Ah, so many fishes are there. So you can see, small fish is there. So many fish. Oh my God! Even small ones also is there. Here, big koi fish. Oh, they're eating this thing, Bella. Pellets.
Wait, let me see.
Hey,
Who is eating the pellets?
oi.
Oh, look, those little ones are eating
Yes,
the
I
pellets.
know.
They look so happy.
Yes, so much big fishes are there. So big
many
ones.
fishes.
Koi fish.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Look at this.
Yes.
Look at this fellows. So many small fish, Desi. So many small fish. See, you can see small fish eating with pellets.
Hopefully I didn't hurt anyone.
Oh my god, up close, guys. Oh my god. Oh, hey, another fish. It came out. This is so close.
Scared them off. Yeah.
Look at this two fellow.
They're like, flap.
Show me how you use that stick.
You faded now.
Okay, so show me how you do the TikTok. This is the place.
I wonder what the swans eat.
Sunny.
I'm gonna throw it to it.
Those are the koi fish.
Do you eat that?
She's giving pellets. They ate?
Yeah.
Ate?
Yeah, I did.
Hello, Bella, flamingo! Small one.
No, it's a secondary.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, it's not flamingo.
Secondary.
What animal is that?
A secondary.
These fishes, my goodness. They're nibbling the pellets. A bunch of them. I don't know what kind of fish is this. Looks like tilapia.
Tilapia?
Yeah, it's like tilapia fish. Looks like.
It's gonna
Or it could be also koi fish because looks like koi fish. Oh yeah, it's a koi fish, I think. How you dance? How to dance?
I broke my wrist. Going home now. Reaching to the car. Oh.
Guys, we're done here in the Qudra Lake. Now we're heading home because again later today at 3 p.m. Isabella will have to is going to attend the Halloween party today at the mall. So they have some workshop, some painting, some magic show, something, and they will hunt some goodies. So they're gonna have some, well, like goodies hunting inside the mall. So later we'll go home and rest. Now it's 9 o'clock actually. By the time we reach home, it's gonna be 10 o'clock. So we'll rest a little bit and then take a bath and then we'll go out again later. So let's just end this video because it's getting longer, and I hope to see you to my next one. Please stay safe.